Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a cornice fast and beautiful. First of all, we have to make the basic plane with any size of rectangle right there. You can see about the rectangle, and now we can click this surface and push it up with any size, maybe around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can see about the dimension, and this is around 6 meter, and this one around 5.5 meter. Okay, and I will delete this one and delete this one, and the thickness of this slab is around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can make the profile of the cornice. We can using this line here. Then we can draw the any size of rectangle, and you can follow my step in here. Okay, then we can move using move tool and move to this position. Okay, and now we can draw the custom cornice as we want in this area. We can using the line. Okay, and or maybe we can using the tape measure tool. We can click from this position, then we can draw for the vertical and horizontally to make a profile, to make a guideline of this cornice itself. Okay, you can see about my step. This is about the custom guideline, so you can make by your own cornice that you have desired about. Then you can using this line, you can using the 2-point arc here. You can using the 2-point arc, click, and you can select this one. You can click from this point until this point, and in this point until this point. Okay, then you can click from this point until this point. Okay, and you can and then you can continue to make this one from this point until this point with this 2-point arc tool, and then you can draw the line. Click from this position, this section, and this one, and you can click from this point, this intersection, and this intersection, and then we can click the line in here. Click this one. Okay, then we can delete all this unnecessary guideline. Okay, then we have already get this one, and then we can draw the rectangle here. We can click from this position until this position, then we can delete this middle plane, right click and erase. Then we can select all of this line by select shift on our keyboard and click for every single line. Then we can select a follow me, then we can click this surface. Okay, and have done. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Maybe we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can also change the color with using another materials like concrete materials over there, and also we can change the color. Okay, for example, just like this as we want. Okay, have a good day and wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.